Here is our list of the best Wi-Fi routers you can get right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The GL.iNet GL-MT6000 Flint 2 is a high-performance Wi-Fi 6 router designed for users who demand speed, reliability, and wide coverage. With Wi-Fi 6 speeds of up to 6 gigabits per second, it ensures smooth 4K streaming, lag-free gaming, and seamless video conferencing. Its dual 2.5 gigabits per second multi-gig ports and 4.1 gigabits per second Ethernet ports offer fast, stable wired connections for multiple devices. The 8-stream Wi-Fi 6 technology allows the router to handle over 100 devices efficiently, making it ideal for homes with heavy internet usage. Backed by 1 GB DDR4 RAM and 8 GB eMMC storage, it delivers smooth performance for power users. Setup is user-friendly with a step-by-step tutorial, and updating the firmware during installation enhances functionality. For privacy-focused users and gamers, it supports high-speed VPNs, WireGuard up to 900 megabits per second and OpenVPN up to 190 megabits per second, allowing secure browsing without sacrificing speed. Additionally, AdGuard Home integration offers DNS-level ad blocking for a cleaner, more private internet experience. With its strong focus on speed, device capacity, security, and ease of use, the Flint 2 stands out as a versatile networking solution, suitable for everything from everyday browsing to demanding online gaming and media consumption. It's a top choice for users seeking both performance and privacy. The ASUS RT-BE92U is a cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 router designed for users seeking ultra-fast, reliable, and future-proof internet connectivity. Offering speeds up to 9,700 megabits per second, it utilizes advanced features like 320 MHz bandwidth and 4096 QAM modulation to boost network capacity and efficiency, ideal for high-demand tasks such as gaming, streaming, and remote work. Its multi-link operation ensures stable connections by linking multiple bands, minimizing interference and delivering smoother data transfer. The router also supports versatile internet access with AI van detection and a USB port that enables 4G 5G mobile tethering, ensuring constant connectivity. Its Smart Home Master feature allows the creation of up to 3 SSIDs, helping users manage IoT devices, VPN connections, and apply parental controls with ease. Security is a key highlight, with ASUS's subscription-free AI Protection Pro powered by Trend Micro, offering commercial-grade protection and safe browsing tools. Though Wi-Fi 7 devices are still emerging, the ASUS RT-BE92U offers forward-looking performance, making it a strong investment for the future. Its combination of exceptional speed, intelligent features, and robust security makes it an outstanding choice for tech-savvy individuals, gamers, and households wanting to upgrade their home networks for both current and future needs. The Amazon eero Max 7 is a premium Wi-Fi 7 router built for ultra-fast speeds, wide coverage, and seamless smart home integration. With two 10 gigabits per second Ethernet ports, it supports wired speeds up to 9.4 gigabits per second and wireless speeds up to 4.3 gigabits per second, making it ideal for bandwidth-heavy activities like 4K 8K streaming, gaming, and smart automation. It covers up to 2,500 square feet and supports over 250 connected devices, catering well to large homes and tech-heavy environments. The router features True Mesh technology, along with True Roam and True Channel, to deliver low-latency, interference-free connections, perfect for gamers, AR/VR users, and cloud applications. It also functions as a smart home hub with support for Thread, Matter, and Zigbee devices, enabling simple and secure automation. Advanced digital security is available via the optional eero Plus subscription, while built-in protection safeguards the network. Setup is quick with the eero app, which also provides remote management capabilities. With a 3-year warranty and dedicated customer support, the eero Max 7 stands out as a powerful, reliable solution for users looking to upgrade to next-gen Wi-Fi, offering exceptional speed, security, and smart home compatibility.